Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Mind Body Business Show. We have an amazing show lined up for you tonight. I can't wait for you to meet our guest expert, Robert Walsh. This young man is amazing.
More power to you. Yeah. But just examples like that, you really gotta stand, especially now, man. You have to stand out. It's so hard to do.
True.
You want to essentially replicate that into many different pieces of content, many different things, instead of trying to replicate what works.
So I'm glad you brought that up.
No problem, and I'm glad you got more into repurposing as well, because a lot of people, one thing that I also preach, just to add to the repurposing and things that you're doing, is